Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change voice in Audacity. So I have my example audio clip right here, so let's just go ahead and listen to it real quick.
My trouble seems so far away.
So as you can see, we have this man singing a song. Now to change the voice or to simply apply effects, you can just select on the music right here or the audio clip, click on effects, and from here you then want to simply choose the effect that you want to apply. So in my case, I'm going to be putting some pitch right here. So I'll just click on pitch, change pitch, and from here you then want to go ahead and modify this presets right here. So the percentage that I want to set is minus 19%. Click on apply, and if we go ahead and listen to the sample audio once more,
My trouble seems so far away.
we can then go ahead and see that we have managed to change the voice in Audacity. So if you want to completely edit this even further, you can just navigate through the effects, and then you want to choose the voice filtering effect that you want to apply. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.